guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Programming with Gautam. So today I'll be showing you how to test the typing speed of a user using Python program. So before I start, I have installed Pygame, I have installed sys, time and random are already installed. So the commands are nothing but pip install Pygame. This will install the Pygame package that we have. So since it's already available in my system, it's showing requirement already satisfied. We need not install all of them, all the others. The others are already available on my system. So now what I have done is I have created a class called as game here. I have given the width as 750 pixels and height as 500 pixels. Then after that I have given reset equals to 2 because if the user changes it and again we open that particular window, it will be resetted to 750 automatically. Okay, and this active is false here. These are the some things that I have given there. Then after that I have opened the image called as type speed open. So this is the page that I have opened. This is the image that I have opened, and I have scaled it to that particular window there. Okay, so this is the background. After that I have shown that particular thing, I have also shown this background image. So background.jpg is completely back here. So you'll be seeing what is all this further. So this would be coming in the top like this, guys, typing speed as it is here. You would see this on that particular speed test software. Okay. After that, we have given some draft test function in which we have given some font text for the text, what color I have to put and how that should be, and all I have given there. Okay. So in this get sentences, I have this function will help us to read each sentence from this particular file, and this particular file is full of sentences through which this speed test will occur. Okay. After that is done, it will show us the result, how much time we have taken, what is our accuracy, and what is our speed test timing and all. Okay. After that, we have run that particular project. So when it's running, the clock should be reset to 0. Then the moment we press a key, the clock will automatically start and it will keep on running there. Okay. After that, it will check what all we have done and all with the help of this function. Then after that, there is a reset game button which I have given to reset that particular thing and come back to the page so that the user can enter the details again. So how to get a random sentence? So you can see we are getting the sentences here, but which sentence we are not selecting. So with the help of this random sentences, we are where is that? So with the help of this thing, that is get sentence function, we are able to get a random sentence here. Okay. So after that, we are filling the screen with completely black color. Then we are showing the message as typing speed test, and we are drawing some text and all with the help of the Pygame module there. Okay. After that, we are running that particular module there. So if I run this particular project, you can see there is a file that is open, and it is showing us and is also helping others. So this is the text I have to type. So when I type it, AND is ALSO helping others also to learn the same with a passion. So after you enter, you have to press the enter key here. So it is showing I have completed this particular thing, that is in 25 seconds with a 91% accuracy, and words is 32 words per minute. So I have done some mistakes at some point. So you can see helping others also to learn the same with a passion. So after this, I have given a space here. So that is the reason my accuracy got decreased here. So when I click on this particular button, it will reset back to this page and it will show us this page again. So now if I'll enter, Gautam is a classic example of how he has learn programming. Okay, so you can see I have completed this in 20 seconds with 100% accuracy, and words per minute is 36 words per minute. Okay, guys. So this is how you can create your own typing speed test software project using Python, guys. So hope you have understood, guys. If you have understood, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming with Gautam. Thank you.